What's up, guys? Oh, okay, it's Friday. I don't quite know how it is Friday already, but it's Friday. It's Friday already. We're just gonna carry on carrying on. That's all we can do, right? That is literally all we can do right now. So let's keep on keeping on. Sorry, this was me messing around earlier to see if that would have worked. It was literally just teasing me yesterday. I see that this has sucked. It's giving me I don't want to say the H word. I don't want to say the H word. H word, bad. Hey, Nicholas. What's up? How you doing, Nicholas? How's it going? Sorry, I'm here focusing on not much right now, by the looks of things. Let me mark out everything I've got to mark out, but sure. That's all I can say about today. Just yeah, it's very meh. It's a weird thing to say, but it is very meh. Oh, I do see that it did reject off that new daily opening gap yesterday. Okay, so let's mark out all of our points. Let's see, maybe London then gives us something good today with how Asia's looked, but I mean, if we look at yesterday, maybe not. Hey, Prince of Pips, what's up? How are we doing? Happy Friday, guys. It is Friday. You know what that means. It means we do Butterfly of the Day and Fun Fact Friday. Fridays are fun. Let's not forget about Bob Quote Friday. Maybe I do too many things on a Friday. Nah, we have fun. Fridays are supposed to be fun. Let me mark out all of these little pointy points over here. New York High. Okay, dokie. Yes, I said okay, dokie. This has never made sense to me yet. I'll listen to these and say sure. I guess this is New York low, but actually for me this is New York low. I'll just leave it there. Previous day low, I guess you could call it, rather. Previous day low. New York high, New York low. Asia high over here with equal highs. Nice. Okay. And Asia low has theoretically already then been taken, but there is still a bit of a pivot point over here. So I will just mark it out like so, as well as equal low. Wow. Wow. Okay. And some relative equal highs. Wow. We are just coiling. We are back in a range right now by the looks of things. What's up, Eddie? How you doing? How's it going? So I'm just marking out all these points and going, oh my gosh. Because this thing just literally looks like it's coiling. So I'm waiting for the explosion. The question is the explosion going to happen during London or during New York? Look at all of these relative equal highs everywhere. Wow. Wow, I mean, there's also relative equal lows going on over here. So there's a lot of liquidity to be taken out. Okay then. Let's check out the new daily. Okay, so no, I mean, there's a itty bitty teeny weeny new daily opening gap. Do you know what I'm then gonna do? I'm gonna just do that. Basically the gap. I don't know if that really counts as a gap, but anyways. And then let's mark out midnight. Oh, midnight, where you at? Haha, I found you. There. Ooh, all of them are opening bearish. Sorry, I've been trying to take note of if they all open bearish, generally, not always. We tend to have a bit more of a bearish day, you know, and vice versa. If they all open bullish, we have a bit more of a bullish day. But so far, New Daily and Midnight have been bearish. Let's see if we're then gonna get bearish day today. Nice. Okay. Let's get this party started. Short Friday, yeah. We're going down today, pump on Monday. Yes, I do agree. Why is it so dark in this room? Give me a second. I'm gonna open some curtains. I might look pale and pasty when I do, but still. Let me look pale and pasty. You guys like my hippie pants? They're really comfy. Hey. Open some windows. Get some fresh air. There we go. Ah, that's better. Maybe I won't be so pale and pasty looking now. What's up, David? David, you get fireworks again. You always deserve fireworks. I hope you know that. Oh. There we go. For anyone that has just hopped on.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Yeah, we had this and if we could please just cooperate. So I have been binge watching ReZero. Wow. What a wild anime. Anyways, I guess it's good. It's a really good anime, but sure. Intense. Anyways, let's now do this thing like a chicken wing. Richie boy! What the? Oh no, not the Tussie. Oh gosh. Okay. Quick top to bottom analysis. What time? Oh, we have 3 minutes. Okay, let's be quick. Are we ready? Are we ready? Daily. Sure. Yeah. Just, yeah. Surely a dump is supposed to be happening soon. 4 hour. Okay. 1 hour. $275 at least would have to be nice for it to pop back into. Okay, 15 minutes. All-time highs are rough, man. All-time highs are rough. Because, I mean, could just keep going. Okay. 5 minutes. Whoop, whoop. Did kind of tap into that order block. Should slowly be headed down. Okay, let's do this thing. I've been saying I think the shorty shorts are in play. It hasn't really happened. Maybe today is the day. Ronan, you say Dragon Ball is the best anime. What's up, Dom? How are we doing? Do I have a Discord? I do. Is it a last day market open? Well, what do you mean by last day? I mean, it's Friday. It's closed on a Saturday and Sunday, so yes. I guess, in a way. Oh, hello. Never mind then. Screw me and my opinions. There's a 3 a.m. open. This could just be wanting to grab some liquidity before going back down. That is possible. Or it's just gonna keep on climbing and proving me wrong. Yep. Good morning, short incoming still under like a huge rainbow. What's up, Debbie? And T King, hi. What are we trading? We are trading the Nasdaq futures. How you doing? Hey, Flavi, how you doing? Cleaning stop loss and down. Let's I'm gonna trade what's in front of me. Shush! Sorry. The Hardy dolls, they're so loud. Accumulating, London should manipulate, and New York distribute. Okay. Well, I mean, yeah, listen, Asia was solidly accumulating, so if anyone was trading the Asia session, I'm so sorry, it looked terrible. Hey, Louie, how are you doing? So James, you're saying London should manipulate, but then the question is, which way do you think we're going to manipulate towards? So do you think then London's going to be more buy, manipulating the buyers to come in before dropping for the New York session? Or do you think it's going to be the other way around? People start to think that the sell-off is going to happen during London, getting everyone excited, and then New York comes and it just keeps pumping up.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
I just entered sells in the morning. What do you think is going to happen to NAS 100 for the day? Well, that was kind of what we were just discussing, right? This could be a little bit of manipulation right now to the buy side, and then New York is just gonna dump. I wouldn't be surprised. And here's Asia high up above. Sorry, I'm so zoomed in, you guys. Can't even freaking see. There we go. Okay, let's wait and see once it's taken out these relative equal highs, and then like I said, Asia high is right above with more relative equal highs. Is that line? Yes. This blue line, oopsie daisies, yeah, the blue line is VWAP, sorry. Don't Fridays usually drop? We're talking about manipulation happening now, native gamer. Hey, Freeman Peters, what's up? How you doing? How's it going? What do I think about fair value gap? Like about just fair value gaps in general? Bobby? Is that the question? I like them. I mean, they're one of my confluences for my trading. Good entry under VWAP. I wouldn't be surprised if we take out Asia high and then start dropping. Actually, that's something I wouldn't mind seeing. Asia high and then we go down, down, down. Like I said, we're about to take out these relative equal highs. 1 and 2. Just gotta wait for a little bit of confirmation. I mean, there's no retesting, nothing right now, so hands off. Previous day high. You think it's gonna go all the way up to the previous day high? You think this is going all the way up to 562? This is interesting. Okay, so James, you're saying that it's gonna go and take our previous day high and then drop. Dom, you think the sells are about to come into play right now? Be thankful. What's up, son? How are we doing? Bullish on higher time frame, so break of the structure. Nice. I mean, Swabi, I like fair value gaps. Are they 100%? No, but it never is. Delani? Wait. Delano? Did I say that right? What's up? I'm looking at the Nasdaq futures. The micros, to be specific for me right now. Yeah. Okay, Dom still says this is gonna drop down. It's about to take out these relative equal highs. Let's see when it takes out 481. What happens? Delaney, sorry, thank you. I'm ready, Dom. I'm waiting for the drop. I am waiting for the drop. Let's see. Based on previous respect to the previous low, change of character. You're sticking with bullish. Freeman. Freeman Peters, what type of strategy do you use? SMC. I don't know, just something the way you said that gave me SMC vibes. Am I correct? Or was I completely off the mark there? Hey, K Gorilla Boy, do I trade? I do not, unfortunately. Sorry. Hey, Gok, how you doing? Not in competition with anyone. No! See, guys, I'm learning. I'm starting to learn the different lingo used by different strategists. That's not really a word. No, that is a word, but you know what I mean. It's not something that people use for traders. More just liquidity. Swabi, it's definitely bearish. You could even end now. I think it's time for a poll. I think it's poll time. That sounds weird, but you know what I mean. I think we gotta do a poll. Below bear. Yeah, let's see what you guys think. But yes, I use a value gap in higher time frame. Okay, so now officially taken that out. So that looked a little bit like a liquidity grab, but is it? See, like, I know you shouldn't be married to your bias. I just took out all of the buy side liquidity and tapped into there. I would actually low-key be looking for this entry long. But I need a little bit more confirmation. We're still stuck a little bit in this range, so I need to wait for it to break out of the range. I made this mistake yesterday. Bought at 465, TP at 492. Nice. Let's see. Wow, we have a 50-50. We have a 50-50 going on right now. This is very interesting with regards to if this is going to be bearish or bullish. Avoid breakouts in my own spending, better trade in range. What? JP, you crazy. I'm bad at trading in ranges. I'm not gonna lie, it does not suit my trading style at all. I'm more of a momentum trader. So not a breakout trader, momentum. Momentum retest. That's more my style of trading. Ranges though, ooh, nope. They're scary. Stop loss and profit at 20 bucks. Hey Yusuf, what's up? Bearish from Asia High on MES. What's up, Life Sound? How are you doing? No pull here. Ah, sorry. Can I add a pull here? Why won't it let me start one? Huh, it won't let me make one. That's rude. Literally, will not let me make one. That's rude, Suavi. The audacity. Reaction push from here to already respect the previous thing. Ranges are where we lose money. Work on a floor for 20 years, you'll trade effectively in ranges. I guess that's valid. Getting well sat by the pool, I pan out, kids smashing around with the Life Sound, why did you not invite me? I feel like that was low-key rude. That sounds like such a good time. Hey Yusuf, what's up? Sorry, did I miss a message? What did you ask? What was the question? Oh, I think this is just gonna continue up. Pity. Pity. Oh well. The only problem with this one is the fact that midnight is over here, but that being said, let me just make sure about that. Definitely. Even that was definitely cool. Okay. So this is the correct range. Going. Let's see if it respects the 50% of this fair value gap. It's low-key breaking it right now. Retested it twice. Okay. Am I gonna lose another $20 or is this it? So your entry would be down here rather. Freeman? Life's out, I guess that's valid. Oh gosh. We just broke 2 previous highs, we are still bearish. Done, that's very confusing. You've been studying Wyckoff structure? Nice. I'm not great at Wyckoff. I'm not even gonna like sugarcoat that. I am not great at it at all. You know your strengths and weaknesses. Definitely one of my weaknesses. Yes, this is Micro NAS 100 JP. Hey Pinky Gaming, what's up? Please, how can I know about this trading? You're interested? That's awesome. Are you willing to put a whole lot of time, effort, and capital into it? Hey from Ireland, what's up? How you doing, Mela? Can I tell you about... I cannot, sorry. Why not 50? What do you mean, why not 50? Whoa, why am I not risking 50? OTT, I'm sticking with one contract for now. You have entry long in the zone and you have a short. Let's see. Change a character. Not good. Get past extended. Marksing bad. Don't like what it's created right now, but I'm sticking with... I have to stick with my plan. I have to stick with my plan. Stick with my plan. Stick with my plan. Stick with my plan. Maybe it doesn't work, and if it doesn't work, we just move on to the next. That is just how it goes, but it's an A+. 1, 2, 3. So we go with it. I'm gonna say that I got my news respecting this. I'll probably abandon my short. Let's see. Yes, always stick with plan. If it doesn't work, I'll buy ice cream. Heck yeah, Dom! Ice cream! I'll be happy with ice cream. So I'm sticking to my plan. It's now hands off. Only 20. Bruh, I've only been doing one contract the whole time. Until I'm up more. Let's see what it does here. It could start to drop lower, or it could... This would be the point. That being said, it could drop a little bit lower in respect there. Doesn't work, it doesn't work. But I'm sticking with my plan. Hence why only one contract, OTT. Not getting a response on how to go on trading. Oh, sorry, bruh. There's a lot going on here. Anyways. So, how would you start? I think you would have to start by finding yourself a strategy. Once you have yourself a strategy, and sorry, I can't tell you what strategy because obviously everyone has different strategies that work for them. I have my strategy that I like, that a lot of people hate. Vice versa. There's some strategies that work for some people that others just don't understand. So you're gonna have to find yourself your own strategy. Once you have that, backtest it. You just paper trade it, backtest it, find the correct execution, the correct market. Just find what works best for you and your strategy. Once that has happened, then in my opinion, I would say you get a prop firm, because trading live in the markets is a whole other beast to battle when it comes to the mental side of things. So then, in my opinion, I know some people don't agree with this, but my opinion is prop firm. Definitely get yourself a prop firm to battle that beast of the mind. And then you could start getting payouts with funded accounts. So yeah, that's just me. So Sean Bird says you would start reading that. Oh, good grief. She can sell you, but she'd have to kill you. Love that we have a trade in Swiss. Trade of one contract at a time. It's a blast and annoying at the same time. That is hilarious. Oh dear. That was a big rejection off of there. But it's still, we're sticking with the plan. It's still hands off. Hey, Lava Turtle, what's up? Homework. Waiting through YouTube, backtesting, understanding liquidity, etc. Yep. Eddie, if all else fails, take a guesstimate. We'll port a note for the best. You know what, Eddie? Shush. You're such a bad influence. Oh my gosh. Who's to witness? For his spear. Once a while, can't spear, I see. What's up, Skeletor? How are you doing? You're waiting for drop but it has dropped under VWAP. I'm confused. I would need it to reject around here. If it breaks below these lines, like it's doing, then it's gonna be a loss. Ah, pity. Oh well. Oh well. Ah, Microbrave, look at you coming at me with Afrikaans. Goeiemorgen, gaat dit? I just want to risky decide I was 50. No, I just decided I'm doing one con for now. That was it. That was it. Oh well. What about that? See you, Bob. Understood, yeah. So it was a bigger range during New York session. OTT. That was basically it. But I did agree with you with regards to once 29 can start risking... Oh, yeah. What is it, 100 again? And then when 50 can start risking 200 again. Big Eddie come back with his broken caps lock. He did not. No, he did. He did for like 2 days. And then he disappeared again. So I have absolutely no idea. It's fine. No, I don't exit. Don't worry. I've learned my lesson to never exit a trade. It was a good tap into VWAP on ES. Wonder if it's gonna have a solid bounce off of that now. Yesterday was nice. I called both directions. One from VP1 FBD. Damn, Mikwave. Okay. But the reaction was based off a previous high, so which is the wipe off. Hey Seb, what's up? Sorry Seb, I only saw your message and I apologize. For anyone that's just hopped on.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Good night. Oh, my bad. My bad. Sorry. Good night then to you, Atlanta. How you doing? Hey Tools, how you doing? How's it going? I'm actually just not even watching. I'm just gonna... I now just wait for a beep. Because it's hands off and I know I'll do something dumb if I watch. 5 minute fair value gap on the minute. Oh, it's making a little bit of a doji there. Ooh, let's see what it does. Hey Ahmed. Tools, yeah, I can't complain. I can't complain. I'm being more disciplined with taking my A+ setups. I'm trying to be more disciplined, rather. So yeah. Ahmed, sorry, I don't know what that means. I'm sorry. Also, it's annoying me even trading because my computer keeps freezing. That's not good, but didn't you say you bought a new one now, right? You bought a new one now, Mikwabe, didn't you? Microwave, reinstall Windows. Volume coming, attention. Either way, I'm hands off. Whatever happens now happens. Like I said, I'm at this point that I'm just taking every single A+ setup that presents itself to me. The end of story, end of discussion. It's then hands off all the rest of it. Yeah, I don't get it till next week though. Oh, that's irritating. Factory reset RT, it's still like this. Gotta have at least 1709 or higher. The high at 150 AM was the support. OTT knows what he's doing. When it comes to computers, you're talking his language. Your OTT really does. It is insane. I will trust OTT to do— why is nothing working? I will trust OTT with my computer. OTT, you don't fix computers though, do you? Have you ever thought about doing that, or are you not so interested in that stuff? Out of curiosity. What am I trading? What's up, Pipdre? This is the Nasdaq futures. What app or link recommendable? For paper trading, you can use TradingView. Microwave factory sets help majority of times it doesn't. For the trade, apparently there are some computer nerds building it as we speak and putting it through some rigorous testing. I love it. I love it. How do you fix computers? It's just annoying. Why is it— wait. Why is it annoying? Am I paper trading? Nah, I'm not paper trading. This is my funded account. JP. Louis, you nearly made me like spit out my tea. Anyways. When did I— MDOS? What do you mean? What do you mean, MDOS? Especially fixing someone else's computer. Like, what did you do? I guess that's valid. If you pay per trade, try to use same amount of risk as you would with your strategy. Am I a daytime trader? I am. What's up, Seppo? How are you doing? Using Google Chrome. Oh, when did I come live? I am South African, Jade. What's up? When did I come live? Like 30 minutes ago? Yeah? Let me look. Yeah, around 40 minutes ago. Looking forward to proper tea tomorrow. I haven't had a proper brew in a week. Oh, good grief, life sound. How have you lasted? No, I do use it, but not to train. Life sound, what country are you from? I was born in Cape Town but live in Florida now. What? Why did you decide to move? If you don't mind me asking, sorry, I'm a little bit nosy sometimes. I mean, my parents immigrated, they went to Uruguay. Ah, Seppo, obviously. How are you doing? What part of SA are you from, Seppo? I would actually love to hear non-South Africans try and pronounce South African names. It would be amazing. Unique boys, you're from India. What the? Be fine, and some more RAM. Tension, let's see what happens. Guys, I'm just here. Oh, you're from Limpopo. Oh, I used to live in Hoedspruit, so... Right, well, I mean, Hoedspruit is in Limpopo. Those agencies. Now I'm KZ inside. I suggest... Pachi, what's up? Sorry, I suggest creating a burn account for TradeAway demo trading view. Give you lagged data. I mean, so Eddie, if you're just doing like backtesting and stuff, does it matter that much? Does that make sense? Unique boys, can I please teach you? I can teach you basics. I'm definitely not a professional at this yet. I've been trading for officially a year now, so that's exciting. Yay! That was lame, but raise the roof. Anyways. Should even took it, but all my family is still there. I'll be down in a year, so that is awesome though. How's Florida compared to South Africa? Out of curiosity, you hear stories. You know, but all of them are stereotypes, so how true are they? Anyways. Where am I from? What's up, Auto Advice Solutions? I am from South Africa. Is that what you're asking? South Africa, I'm from Bloemfontein. I love it. Bloemfontein, however you want to say it. Do you need money to start trading? Yes, you do. You do need money to start trading. And not only do you need money that you do not care about to start trading. I think that's also important. It's money that you do not care about losing. No, what part of South Africa are you from? What strategy do I use? So it's my own little strategy, so I guess we're calling it the TMT strategy now. So it's kind of like a mixture of market auction theory, ICT and SMC kind of smushed together. So I guess it's a hybrid strategy. You're from Nigeria. Nice. There are 2 new games. Ready to learn strategy online. It's been the next 2 years. Cry. You're a full-time trader. Okay, so Mikuave, what I'm hearing is I only have 1 more year of crying. Yay! Winning! What is that beautiful looking tattoo? Oh, it's a snail. Sorry, it's the most random thing. It's a snail. It's Sunny. I call him Sunny the snail. And then there's Blossom. No? Well, it is Blossoms, but Peach Blossoms. Peach Blossoms around. It's mostly to do with like my childhood and stuff. But guys, to have money, you need money. If it's for trading, don't need to go overkill even second hand. I've learned bought a new company that gives 3-year warranty. Ooh, smart. It represents how slow she is.
Emotional damage.
That felt unnecessary, but whatever. Be like that before. Wow. Guys, you guys come here because you think you want to watch trading, and then you realize you come here just to abuse me. But anyways, whatever. Is it real they pay when trading, and how much do I need to start? Yeah, but it might take a few years to start getting paid for trading. I think that's the point. It's not quick, easy money. If you're hoping for quick, easy money, unfortunately, this is not the place to be. Oh, thank you, JP. Okay. I'm still hands off. So it did reach 1-to-1. Needed to keep pushing. When it reaches up here, I'm gonna go break even. Right by this little volume imbalance. Okay, but it's still hands off. It breaks the high break even, yep. Volume came in all slow. Oh, thanks, Debbie. I mean, I could protect position by just moving my stop to midpoint, but I've done that before. Bad idea. Need money to live off of stone full time. I'm sticking to sales for the day, Maya. I know you're a great scalper, but day traders, please help. No, I appreciate that. Yeah, I am. Trading is more of a lifestyle than anything. What do you mean by that exactly, though? M does? Do I go break even? Bought again at 476. Did you at least put a stop loss, Louis, or not at all? I'm in this buy too. My TP is way above yours though. Ooh, interesting. T, where's yours at? Is yours at Asia high or yours like at previous day high? Okay. Damn, Louis. Can I be your friend? Of course you can. We're all friends here. I think. Are we all friends here? I mean, if we're not friends, then you guys are just bullying me because you hate me, and that's mean. I'm just saying, man. That's really mean. Oh, you're back. Oh, you got a new friend. Louis, you're third. Bit of a spike down there. Don't mind a huge... That sounds weird. I'm not gonna say that out loud. I feel like there's two types of people. People who get in, trade in for quick money. So translate shorted here. Well, I'm still hands off. So thank you, Hassan. I appreciate it. I love bullying you guys. And then they make quick because of the emotional strain and not learning to respect the market. For example, not every trader is a... You should stick to your strategy. But now it doesn't. I see. Indoors, can I teach you some trading basics? I mean, I could, I guess. You can pop me a message on Discord. On Discord, there's also a bunch of videos and things. I think that's the neckline. Use fib. Well, it's not really a fib. It's a GAN box. But yes, I use my GAN box. What's up, South African? How you doing? Where are you from? Sorry, I have to make jokes. Sorry, that kid. I actually really want to read what you're saying. Yeah, let me read this. Let me read what that kid said. So, that kid. Wait. I feel like there's two types of people. People who get into trading in for the quick money. Yep. And then they may quit because of the emotional strain and not learning to respect the market. For example, not every trade is a trade you should take and you should stick to your strategy. Yeah. And then the other side of the trade are people who have experienced the highest and have experienced laws and understanding. Yeah. Have to be very patient. 10% of trading is executing a trade. The other 90% is being patient and controlling your emotions during the trade. Learning to stay in a trade whilst you're in profit and learning to withdraw from your losses. That only comes in time and adopting trades as a lifestyle instead of a job or quick money. That's just my opinion. But I agree, there's people who were told that trading is get rich quick, right? And unfortunately, it's not the case. I was gonna skip to this. South Africa. I know you're from South Africa. Sorry, I was being a little bit sarcastic. I'm sorry. I will not do that again. Am I South African? I am South African. Use a program to... PC of banger, but expensive. Aw, thank you, son. I appreciate that. Yep, I'm always here. I'm always here. Also said I buy and sell shares, so you don't trade. Oh, nice, okay. There's a 4-hour gap down. Bro, there's so many gaps down. Sorry, I apologize for calling you bro, but there are so many gaps down. So many gaps down. How long have I been a funded trader? For a month? Yeah, I think a month now. I've been funded for a month. We have Russian mountain butterfly. Oh, we are in a chop. I am trading in the chop right now. This is fun. I was looking at one cheaper, but the one HDMI port and nothing else, and I have 2 monitors, so it just wasn't gonna work. All those gaps will be tapped. It always happens. I know, OTT. The question is just when, right? I feel like that is just always the question. Which company is funding me? You mean what prop pro? Oh, thanks, Yusuf. GPN once. And tomorrow. Brawl, that's gonna happen today. I know, I'm waiting for the manipulation of London. And then the whatchamacallit, the bear side to happen during New York. Could be wrong. I was sticking with my original idea, right? Of it's gonna take out Asia high first before. Maybe even previous day high. I don't know if that's pushing it a little bit though. So I'm actually currently I'm funded with top 1 futures, but guys, okay, so I'm gonna be a bit of a pain in the butt. Please bear with me. Tradeify is having this freaking awesome special. Literally. They've called it literally Tradeify 3.0 for a reason. It's not a subscription, it's a once-off payment. And you get 40% off for your first 5. And the 40% off ends, so I'll go back, I just wanted to show you guys that. That ends on the 30th. So you have until the end of the month to get 40% off of those, which is cool. Which is cool. We got on the phone, you said it doesn't have anything else other than SMS. If we were bearish, we would have respected this. I think I can now mitigate risk by half. Yeah. I can now mitigate risk by half, because if it's going to come back down to take these out, it's going all the way up. But it is choppy. Dude, I'm in hippie pants. Maybe I'll call it. Help me with the setup. Do it. The Sinner. Why is my stop loss at the low? Why did I choose that place? Oh, it's just to do with my GAN box. In all honesty. That's how I have my GAN box set up. That's it. That's basically it. Hey Cosmic, what's up? How are you doing? How are you doing? I don't know if it was a dumb idea to have moved, but I'm gonna leave it alone. Did mitigate by half. I'm gonna stick with my decisions. Leave it the heck alone. Well, now I moved my stop loss to 466 because I mitigated my loss by half. It was at 460. Yeah. I'm gonna be like a lost puppy with a box that teleports things. Cosmic, I'm glad. Where in RSA am I from? I am from KZN currently. Well, okay. Originally Gauteng, now KZN for a year, but coming back up to Gauteng again. It's what to trade? South African? Why? What? My ad from KZN too? No way! That is awesome. Microwave watch line is to eventually hang out the block building. I'm still alive. Nice, Dom. She's from Booga Booga Land. Wow. That is a little bit rude. Sugar honey iced tea. I pressed the wrong thing there. Oopsies. Ah. Why? I know plenty of people that trade and they've never said that it's haram. Hey Sammy, how you doing? Reason I rebought is because my guys. I am, Samuel. I am in a trade. Damsy, you're bearish? Oh, so we're going against each other a little bit there. You know that based off big candle. Come on. Oh. I feel like I know a lot of Muslims that trade though. Anyways, moving on. It will be recommend range or windows when you get a large volume. Any form of interest that use this for trades is considered. Huh. I don't know what that means. I don't know OTT, but okay, we're gonna just continue. We're gonna continue having this discussion. We're going for it. Translate, you're still holding the trade. No wonder this is like consolidating a little bit. There's literally buyers and sellers both right now. So it's definitely like, I don't know where to go. There's stop losses on both ends. Louis back in profit. Oh yeah, I just realized my shares in McDonald's. I hope that this live stream breaks past 100 viewers. What's it even on? I don't even know what it's on right now. What is this live stream on? 45. Ah, I don't know. Who knows? Maybe later. As per EST, so daily, so I come live twice, Brian. The first time, EST time. Oh, I'm gonna lie to you. 2:50 a.m. And then the second time is 9:15 a.m. Mm-hmm. It's really easy. Actually, just search Windows. This needs to wait. You can Google invest in it. I'll be the first one to download the new. You're welcome. That Windows isn't the computer like unusable. Heritage, what's up? How are we doing? How are we doing? How's it going? Do we have IHOP in SA? We do not have IHOP in SA. No. That's the is it a pancake place? Right? That's a pancake place, right? Yes? I think that answers that question. No, we do not. Sunset, I'm doing this too. Watching that on ES right now as well. I thought IHOP was chicken. No. No? That's pancakes. Okay, cool. I thought I'd be like, wait a second, what? Make me question things. Fun fact, in about 44 days, the new PTT rule changes to 2K instead of having 25K for day trading. Ooh, is it good though? I'll also get you there. I don't get why some people say trading is halal or is not halal. OTT, I'm very confused now. I'm getting mixed up with thingies. And Brawl is shorting. Guys, I'm just in this. Oh, okay. So I guess what OTT is trying to ask South African is why? Why is trading haram? So I'm also kind of curious, like what makes it haram? Yeah, we don't got that in England. We got something called creams or aspers. Huh. Should I go break even? Trying to decide if I should go break even. Am I trying to get funded? Nah, man, I am funded. This is my funded account. Oh, thank you. Okay. I guess. Thank you, John. Yeah. So, John, to give you an idea, right? Yeah, I'm gonna move this to VWAP now. So this thing needs to start shooting off. There we go. Yeah. Anyways. No, wait, because if you're still long, my short will play good. Wow! Rude? Wow! Wow!
Emotional damage.
Okay then. Well, I'm going to Maryland. Bearish. Yeah, I'm just break even now. See, made a little bit of an SMT on ES. Either way, it's hands off still. It hasn't hit TP yet, guys. You guys are saying whoop whoop a little bit too soon. $2 billion. My real name is Warren Buffett. Mikawabe. What the hell I mean, but I'm still holding strong. Damn, Translate, you're still in this? Where's your TP at? Actually, wait, maybe don't tell me. But part of me is genuinely curious. Need 25k to trade stocks for futures and products you don't need it. But why is interest haram? That was a really good call, Freeman. Well done. Like I said, it obviously hasn't hit BP yet, but this is a risk-free trade, regardless. So that's cool. I made $40 for this whole slow slime. I'm so sorry. Maybe this is for you.
Emotional damage.
Wait a sec, Dom. You said your stop loss hit, right? You know what that means. Pretty sure you can trade futures with $500. Yeah, you can. $40 for me. Russian trader. It's a very interesting topic right now. Like, okay, guys, as long as you're taking this as interesting, right? And asking questions is good. It's good to ask questions to understand, but as long as you're not being rude about things, I'm just making sure that that's out there. What's up, whistleblower RIP? How you doing? Are you good? How did that not take me out? Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. I see that wick went above. I'm assuming the spread did not come and take it out. I'm assuming the spread went... Nah, nope. They're just learning from each other. Okay, cool. Just making sure. Hey, Thomas, what's up? I'm good in here. Hey, Atlanta, what's up? Woke up from a nightmare just to watch you. Aww. Well, apparently just to watch it miss. Bruh, the spread has not been my friend recently. Come on, keep pushing. Come on, keep pushing. Limit order's not triggered. No ways, okay, that's not good. That's rough. Could you imagine if it goes to break even? Translate, that's not very nice. Come on, no, now it has to. It has to now. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? I'll show you guys what happened to me yesterday. Again, like I said, the spread screwed me yesterday. Come on, a little bit more of a push-up. You have to make sure you have limit orders on whole numbers. What? Freeman Peters, I've never heard that before. You have to make sure you have limit orders on whole numbers. I've never heard that. If you lose the 257 candle, just close it. There we go. There we go. Okay. Oh, the spread was then nice to me. Guys, that was a very long trade. How long was I in that trade for? Entry was here. Okay. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Awesome sauce. I mean, it took 5 ever, but it was an A+ setup and we took it. Okay. I want waffles. I'm just saying all these whoop whoops and there's Atlanta going, I want waffles. And I still made same as you, emotional damage for you. Wow. That's okay, Louis. I don't mind. It's more to do with the confidence now. In all honesty, it's getting my confidence back in my strategy now that the markets are a bit more conducive, I guess you can say. 65520. Because like I said, March completely screwed with my brain. I'm a certified troll. May I troll you? You're very polite about this. Wow. Honestly, I'm happy you closed it manually. I didn't. It went and hit TP. I moved it there and it went up to take me out. I didn't close manually. What's up, Frick? How you doing? Oh. I just need to refine the timing though. What do you mean by that, Multimira? Or even bit. I know. So I did move it up. I moved it up, it went, took out, and then yeah. So I moved my stop loss to where here. Then you can see it went, took me out, and only then did it come back down. Give me 2 seconds, guys. I have to do 2 things. Else this poor PC is gonna have a mini meltdown at me. Beep 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 beep. Boop, 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 sorry, make weird noises. It's just what I do. You guys, low-key, should be used to this by now. Okay. Should be good. There we go. Good. Lots of profit. Check in on Monday afternoon for the results. Oh, thanks, Atlanta. I appreciate it. Where do they want, but you just need to trust your model. Sometimes your model can F you over for months. Yeah. I think that's it, OTT. So now I can go back to trusting my model. That was a goodie. Okay. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Now we just gotta keep on doing that. Gotta keep taking all the A+ setups. I learned from my mistake yesterday. There we go. Done, done, and done. Now, I guess we sit and wait. Sit and wait, see if there's another A+ setup that comes around. Oh, it is headed for Asia High. Atlanta. Very good. James J, you out now? From your long? You took a long, right? Oh, what's the meaning of what WDYM means? What do you mean? We're doing some research for ICT. How many ICT concepts to use? I mean, technically, like 2. Or, yeah, technically only like 2, Thomas. Why? What research have you been doing? Also, what nightmare did you have? Are you okay? Why did you call it, James? I thought you were headed for previous day high. I thought that was your goal. Heard ICT, what's the talk about my father? Gonna sell it 26500. So the bob level. Hey Arish, what's up? James Asia High, awesome. You said you wanted a giveaway. No. Am I gambling? No, I'm not gambling. Are you gambling? Sugar honey iced tea, I wanted to do something. Do you know what we can do now that I can decompress a little bit? I found space dream too bad. That's quite cool, I think. I am trading. I know any one of his periods. I'm like, I don't even think we could pull back a bit. You can always re-enter if my setup happens. I want sells the up high. That's my play today. Oh, okay, James. So are you kind of English. You kind of playing the retest a little bit before the drop. Yeah, this is which one? Every day. Anyway, I know you like premium discount in. What else do you use? Fibonacci? Nah, I use my GAN box. I don't know if that counts though. They much of a muchness, but yeah. So premium discount, fair value gaps, and order blocks. Aw, thanks that kid. Alright, do you know what we forgot to do? We forgot to do whoop whoops. For anyone that had a winning trade. Whoop whoop. Yeah, on to bull trap, then distribution down. Cheers, that kid. Yeah, I want to bull trap and just keep it up. Your channel's gonna be amazing. You're super successful. Aw, thanks, that kid. You're amazing. The channel has me confused on one thing. What's that, Atlanta? This manipulation. How much did you gamble today? Again, I'm not gambling, so. Anyways, let me go get my book. Let me go get my book, guys. I gotta go get my book. I'm so sorry. I nearly squished my dog. Let me go get my book. Quick sticks. Give me a second. GAN box and Fib are close enough to each other. Yeah, okay. So then GAN box. Like I said, fair value gaps, order blocks, VWAP. I don't know if VWAP is so much hidden though. Ooh, that's a nasty drop. Good grief. Yes, you are all trade by definition not gamblers. Anyone who risks anything on alcohol and certain gambling. No trade is guarantee, which makes us gamblers. Fun fact. Oh, but we're more like guesstimators. I don't know. Gambling sounds bad. Gambling to me sounds bad. You get your first payout on drinking a shot of vodka to you. Nice. Oh. Full-time gamblers. I'm here. I did. Okay, cool. Mike the Goat! It's Mike the Goat, guys. Oof. Now, itchy back. Cool. I'm not taking this. I'm just curiosity is getting the best of me. But I'm definitely not taking this trade. Nobody panic. Like I said, curiosity. But up. Chance to, and they're going into trade already. Frozen. Oh my gosh. The game probability. Persistent funds. Oh my gosh, guys. What is wrong with you? Listening to half of these. Hey, Oscar, will NAS 100 still go up? I'm not too sure. I mean, Asia High is right there. I would expect it to continue back up a little bit more, but whoop, nope, that's gotten real close to hitting stop loss there. Okay, now that I'm taking a little bit of a breather, are we ready? Do you know what time it is? Do you guys know what time it is? It is butterfly of the day. Yay! Butterfly of the day. Butterfly of the day. Butterfly of the day. Yes. Yes. Sorry, we're weird here. Okay. Butterfly of the day. It has to be a cool butterfly for Friday. No, not a blue. Not a blue. Sorry, I know this is low-key cheating. But we're doing a cool butterfly for Friday. Ooh. Ooh, this one's pretty. Okay, we'll go with this one. Okay. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. It's Friday. We're allowed to look for pretty things on a Friday. Bushveld purple tip butterfly. I mean, come on, look at that. That is beautiful. That is a badass butterfly for a Friday. Okay, you ready? Wingspan of 45 to 52 millimeters. Anything about, oh my goodness. Okay, sorry, that was a lot to read there. Distribution is common and widespread. Wow, that's rude. In open woodland and savanna from KwaZulu-Natal Thornbelt to Maputoland, north to Mpumalanga, Gauteng, and Limpopo, and northwest provinces. He was not joking. These are pretty common. Stragglers reach arid savanna in the Northern Cape. Habitat is hillsides and flatlands. Flight period is year-round, depending on rainfall. Mainly October, March. Oh, there's different types. So the other one is around Feb, November, peaks late summer and autumn. Oh, so around now for South Africa. This is very cool. I like this butterfly. This is a very pretty butterfly of the day. Okay, I have to try and say his Latin name. Are you ready? Colotus Eon. I feel like I didn't do bad with that one. I know I sometimes do really, really bad, but I feel like I did not do too bad with that one. So, winning. Look how pretty he is, though, guys. When I'm big, I want to be as pretty as this butterfly. Anyways, moving on back to the charts. Okie dokie, then. Wow. Wow. What just... Wait. What time is it? It's 4:09. It's not even like the 4 a.m. did the damage. Oh my gosh, the 4 a.m. candle is the one that took me out of my trade. That's cool. This should theoretically go back. No, I lied. It's already gone back up. Anyways. Maya, why does this channel have Maya in it? But when I search for Maya, nothing shows. What do you mean, Atlanta? That's weird. So, human gamblers can work hard. Actually, switch with odds in their favor. So it's not blind gambling. Exactly. A stop loss should be the entry. There's a large value gap there. let's see. Okay, just read those facts in Google as well. Meh. Do a section on the Mapani worm butterfly. I don't think it's a butterfly. Is it not a moth? I actually don't know. Aw, hey Side, how you doing? Atlanta? Atlanta?
Emotional damage.
Good grief. The chat is booming today. The bunny worm butterfly, is it? No, the zebra long-winged butterfly in the market. Same difference. The bushveld purple tip butterfly male wingtips use advanced multi-layer scales for dazzling iridescent purple that also strongly reflects UV light, making male glow like a living disco ball to others. That is awesome. Butterflies while transmitting surprising amounts of light. That is very, very cool. Yusuf, you really want to start issues with one of my mods? That feels like a bad idea. But anyways, you do you, I guess. You do you, baby boo. Ah, there we go. The full one for this. Princess had a little mini freak out. Okay. Well, we did have a little green today. Is Yusuf hitting a microwave? I don't know. It kind of looks like it, eh? I'm just here. I'm drinking tea and I'm here for the tea. So let's do this. On my own. You know how I get. I know. That's why, like I said, I'm here for the tea because this is about to get real interesting real quick. I know exactly how you get. It's why I'm not worried about you, Mikuabe. I'm worried about Yusuf. Literally, I am very concerned about Yusuf right now, but it's okay. How are we looking for time-wise now? 10:18. Wow. That time just flew by. That being said, how long was I in this trade? 3:17 to 4. That was a very long trade. Usually when over break new highs or you see pullbacks like that one. That's valid. I thought I can't only be the one reading like that. Man, what do I do? What do you mean? What do you do? No, I'm not. Don't worry. I'm just concerned about you because Mikuabe is scary. He is literally terrifying sometimes. Sorry, I had to fix that. That was bugging me. There was something that was irritating the living daylights out. Like I say, guys, what do you think of my hippie pants? These are like my comfy pants. Now that I don't know what to do with myself, dude. Guys, I think I'm gonna have to go for a walk in between. Maya is a South African queen, butterfly, Latin name, fly woman. What? Oh my gosh. Why is he saying them full name? I'm just imagining that he is using them. It's like, no, stop it. Stop it, guys. That is not what we needed to hear today. Anyways. After pullback, use the full range, or after breaking the high, use the full range. Oh, this actually looks like this is gonna work out. Let's see how it reacts though at this fair value gap, but it's not quite respecting it at the 50% or here. This might now be headed towards Asia high. Okay, so it did actually just respect the heck out of the new daily opening gap. Oh, here we go. Whee! Nice. Okay. Asia high, let's do this thing. Same thing. Going to get just a little bent. I think he just copy pasted your name probably. No, I think you need to do some. Can you tell I'm just here for whatever the heck is happening today? I'm just like, this is fun. This is fun. Oh gosh. You guys are hilarious. Anyone else in a trade now? What's up? Anyone else in a trade? Yes, no, maybe? How's it looking for you guys? Who was aiming for Asia high? Because it's edging, which is rude. And I see that... Votes. Not bad, not bad. So the Bulls definitely won this round. I'm trading my sanity for hunger. Not in a trade. Louis, that is very random. That is very, very random. That is very, very random. Okay. Goal is still Asia high. 6,500. Wow, this is going low-key slow now, but that's okay. We had our winner chicken dinner. Let's see if we get another opportunity, but obviously now we must not risk too much. To understand the English, you must master sarcasm. Hello! We have a little Perry coming to say hi. What's up? What's up? No? Oh. Okay, the little freeloader is just here coming to sigh at me. Because apparently life is just oh so tough. What is wrong? What's wrong? Come here. Come here. Hello. Oh. I'm so sorry. No. Okay, we're going with this now. Okay, so I'm now stuck like this because this is how my dog decided that this is how he's gonna sleep. Hello. Okay. You can't see what he's doing. He's just now chilling. Can I help you? You have food. You have water. Oh, the monkey's not here and you're upset. Oh no. Oh no. Like I said, I'm just literally here for the tea. With the tea, Bean. With the tea. Mikuawe, this is where you could use your Afrikaans. Confuse everyone. Notice how price action is decreasing and check out volume 2. Yeah. What about it, Samuel? What are you thinking? He isn't feeling this job and alerts you with his barking. I know dogs that don't bark at anything. Really? Oh, well then you know what? You're the bestest guard dog. You're doing such a good job. You're doing such a good job. Yes, you are. He doesn't know what to do. He's getting all shy. Oh, okay. He's super shy now. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What's up, Yusuf? I'm still watching. I'm waiting for this to take out Asia High. Me? Are you asking if I'm feeling good or you saying that you're feeling good? Guys, why is he so cute? Why are you so cute? Huh? What's up? What do you want from me? I don't know what you're asking for. There we go. Wait, Hippie pants like MC Hammer pants, all baggy. Yeah, Louis, hippie pants. These are super, well, not that baggy, not that baggy. Why are we screaming, David? No, I don't microwave right now. It's be my. It's like a comedy trading channel, which is the best. Everybody because I feel like crap due to insane metabolism at 4. Yeah, just that's not good. Why don't you go eat though, Atlanta? Maybe. Eddie, stop. What's with the hippie pants? I am chinchilling. What do you mean? What's with the hippie pants, guys? I am chinchilling, and these are comfy. Why are you judging me? Can I not chill in my own home? People names breadstick. Okay.
Why are you doing this? Why are you even
426.
thinking this way?
Yeah, volume has decreased quite a bit now. That was an A+. Let's wait, maybe we'll get another A+ that pops up. I need a new girlfriend to help me with all the complicated stuff, like eating. I'm confused. Atlanta, just go eat some food. Go buy yourself some chips or something. My trading space has got channel like this, one of a kind. Oh, thanks, Debbie. Yeah, we come for the trading, we stay for the comedy and the drama. Dun 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 dun. Anyways, and now I can't move because Perry has lain down on my chair's wheel. So, yep, I guess this is how I'm looking at the screen now. What's wrong with my hippie pants? You guys have offended me. My hippie pants are thebomb.com. Why are you mean? Why are you being mean? My hippie pants are awesome. Oh, I need to learn how to work a microwave. Mikawava can help you out. You're good with whatever. Thank you, Samuel. I appreciate that. It's for again, chips. No, do you not have like do you not have 24-hour garages or something where you can go get yourself a chip or a chocolate or something? No? Hey, Kaylin, yeah. Naz 100, what's up? I'm trading Naz 100. Looks Saf? Saf? What's Saf? What does that mean? No, I was opening for my pencil C+ to a B-. Oh, Asia High. Asia High taken. Where's Muddy? We have to do watermelon. Asia High. Okay, so watermelon Asia High was taken. Don't ask me. That's a very weird thing. Louis, did you now take a sell after that? I would be hands off for buys for a little bit, waiting for confirmation. There may be a bigger retest that happens here if it is gonna go to previous day highs. Or this could be where it starts to drop down. Back to 443. Let's see what we get here. Sepo, you're from South Africa. Same, please. How you doing? I wish dogs could speak. We just feed. Oh, nice, Mike. Thank you. Thank you. Wait, for you, Mike.
Nice.
Sold. No speak again on that. Samuel. Be happy. Beautiful. I'm new and would love to trade like me. I mean, I'm still in some drawdowns. I don't know if you quite want to trade like me, but thanks. Are you saying you just want to trade? No one can trade like me. Only I can mess up this badly. I'm kidding. Kinda kidding. Okay, wait. Louis, did you move your stop loss into profit immediately as well? Like, have you been taken out for 20? Ah, okay. I was just about to ask that. Oh, thank you, Autotech. How are you doing, by the way? Guys, there's a friendly reminder that she's 17, and if you guys watching, you feel of rubbish. I wish I was 17. Back to the good old days when my parents would pay for everything. Okay, now we gotta wait for some confirmations. You know me, I don't like trading in the gray zone, the bob zone. The bob zone is low-key terrifying. Out of the bob zone, I'm happy chappy. In the bob zone, I'm like, oh no. Absolutely not, thank you very much. Atlanta, she's actually 54. Oh, my light's been off. Why is my light off? There we go. I was very confused there for a second. 54. Good grief, plastic surgery. Clearly, guys. I must have the best plastic surgeon in the world if I'm 54 years old. How can a 17-year-old look so youthfully 25-ish? Gosh. I need support zones, not sideways. I hear you on that. But, I mean, this was a goodie. Like I said, now gotta wait for confirmation. So this could be where we start dropping. If this is not where we start dropping, I think we're gonna head for previous day high at 562. So this is low-key bit of a hands-off situation. What do you guys think? Do you think this is gonna continue up, or do you think this is where we start seeing some bear movements? It looks her age, to be honest. Thank you. I don't know if... Anyways, thank you. Really, what's her age? Guess. Harish? Guess. How old do you think I am? We're in the range of 17 to 54. Good luck. 45 years young. Show me a 15-minute. Cool. Let me do this for you. Do an in, out. How's that? Chance I'm getting 21. Nice. 35. 35. Anyways, inverted banana 42. And let's see some digital. But your Asian mile. You look now. It could be 18 or 800. Wow. Coming up, just another 20 bucks. Oh, maybe a PA. What? No way. I don't need a PA. Anyways, don't what's up. 28. Auto check. Thank you. Well, I'm turning 28. I'm turning 28. I'm 27. Sorry, I meant to say 25. Wow. No, she's not a cougar. She's a baby cub. Guys, you have to stop. He wants to be your price action. Yeah, apparently. That sounds very weird. That is very, very you think that could be a pickup line? You want to be my pride action? Anyways. Can you imagine that being a pickup line? Anyways. My apologies. I can't see you well from here. Turning 30 in August. That's not bad though. Here I am complaining because I'm 27. Turning 28. You look older, no offense. It's my maturity. Now that I just said maturity, I'm like, no, that was bad. You guys don't think I'm mature at all after saying that. Little baby, coochie coochie coo. Okay.
Emotional damage.
What's up, Hammer? You've come at such a weird time. Cringe, Maya, cringe. I know. You look like a female Homelander. Who the heck that? Best pickup line ever. You look older than that, to be honest. Instantly winning. Oh gosh. Wow. I seriously just go look back at this. I think this bro is AI. I mean, maybe. No? Do any of you know each other in real life? That's a good question. Does anyone know each other here? I don't know. Are the people weird today? You have no idea, Hammer, and you've hopped on at such a weird time. But on the plus side, Hammer, did have a winner chicken dinner today, so that's cool. Whoop, this could be the drop. Let's see. This could be it. It took like 45 minutes for it to be a winner chicken dinner, but still. Yeah, me and Maya go way back. She used to babysit me. Listen here, you toddler. AI test. Wink. What? I have a knack for guessing pretty girls' ages, not the same. Okay. Wi-Fi had a meltdown. There we go. Let me close some of these things. Wi-Fi is gonna have a meltdown. Uh-oh. We're still good. What happened? Are we still alive? We're still alive. We're alive. Oh. Congrats on learning all this at that age, at this time of day. Oh, you're lucky. No, I hear you on that one. The sooner you know things, the better, right? I think that's also a thing. Ronan, you asked something, sorry. Oh goodness. No, I'm sorry. No, not... Am I in Cape Town? I'm not in Cape Town, sorry, Ronan. I'm in KZN. It's me lagging, it was you, it's me. Okay, but... Are we done? Cool. Cool. Okay. Okay, we're done having a mini meltdown. That's awesome. Huh, interesting. That would have been a quick win. Okay, looks like the friend is friend until it's not, right? And bulls are still in control here. From KZN, thought you were an American. Nah, I'm South African, guys. I follow the age of Olympic. You're in your prime. Thank you. For a second I was thinking, yeah, I was like, well done on that trade. Glad I got out of break even after that 5-minute was respected. Wow, okay, now the buyers have come to play. Ugh, trending days like this, I wish I was braver, but I guess it's dumb because it's not A+ setups, but I mean, check. There would have been a tag in and win. Same with here. Down there would have been tagged in and up. But they are not A+ setups. That's just literally you're just following every single little range on the 1 minute. Or super, super quick scalps on days like this. This is a really nice day for my setup. Actually, I'm quite enjoying this price action right now. I just don't like that we're right in this bob level, because anything could happen here. Anything can happen. Yeah, poop. I kind of like this trade. You have a good accent for that. Oh, thank you, I think. Do I set price alerts? I do not. I'm going to show you some other trading models. I don't know if I've mastered them. You know what I struggle with, Thomas? I'm not gonna lie. I low-key struggle with where to set the stop loss with the bob levels. Like the TP, obvious, you know where to put the TP, but sometimes I struggle with where to put the stop loss and then that screws me. So I definitely haven't mastered it, but I'm much better at identifying like, ooh, this is it, this is gonna happen. Does that make sense? Well, London's not been a bad session, nah. What if I was some stop loss? 20 bones. Oh my gosh, Louis! What is my take on scalping? I mean, I like scalping. I do scalping. Maybe not scalping as quick as some people, but I think scalping's good. No, what are we something? Can someone tell me if I'm being too harsh? T, I just hit TP, yay! Whoop whoop for T! Well done, T, that is awesome. Auto-identify salt manipulation low. So easiest way for me to use stop losses is to use auto-identify salt manipulation low. Okay, okay, I'm gonna have to look into that, my but people get rid of. Oh, you know what? I mean, he's not bugging me right now, but if he's bugging you guys, go for it. Okay, tapped into the 50% of the bob level. Yeah, knowing when to jump in mid-trend is a lot of work. I find it takes a lot of knowledge with liquidity and what higher time frame we're actually headed for. Yes, and thanks for lag. Everything when you're here making an interesting illusion. Really? Thanks. It makes it that much harder to jump up. We have not crossed previous day high yet though, live sound. Previous day high is a little bit higher up. At 562.25. When you make fake money trading fake dollars, when real money is involved, I'm too cautious. Is micro? Yes, he's serious. How much is a healthy account for you to trade on a daily? What do you mean by how much is a healthy account? You're gonna have to elaborate a little bit more. Like, what do you mean? What do you mean? Sorry. Oof. Oh, if I trade daily, like how much is my goal? Trading daily to achieve? Is that what you mean? Sorry, we have a... Oh, okay, thanks, Lifesound. Thank you, thank you. My husband swept on ES, thanks. If I'm being honest, guys, right now my only goal is to not blow this account. Well, no, I say that. At this point, I don't care if this thing blows or not. My only goal is to take every A+ setup. That is it. That is my only goal. To take every A+ setup that presents itself. Using all my knowledge, like I said, I really like this setup, so I took it. This one I do actually like. There's just one problem with it, and it's the fact that it just tapped into the 50% of this bob level. This could come down, and if it's just hit previous day high on ES, we could start seeing some downward happening. This is what I can't deal with, these questions. Hey Raz, how you doing? This says, well, hey, I'm good. Raz, how have you been? You've been here before, right, Raz? My most trading models have 50% win rate. The trader decides which is worth the risk, and that's how you increase your win rate. True. You can practice on my account with my money like I have the past 6 months. Do you care if I lose all of it though? Just asking, you know, asking for a friend. How much did I make just now? Not that much, like 40 bucks. I didn't risk that much. I only went in with one contract. Until I get back up to 49, I've basically only been risking one contract per trade. When I'm back up to 49, then I'll start risking more. Explorer, what do you mean? You were here yesterday. Yeah, I thought so. I was just like, wait a second. Yes, and then done. Use this question, depends what you're trying to do. Earn a living wage can afford 20k buying a Bugatti. You'll need maybe 500k. How can I learn how to trade futures? Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry, bless me. I mean, there's a few ways you can learn how to trade futures. Yeah, there's a few ways. Explorer? No, I said hi. Well, I kind of said hi to you. What's up? Thank you, Samuel. Are you someone who changed your name? But you're right. It takes market experience. Mr. Movies, I did tell you. Thank you, Jose. How are you doing? I want to say a few months ago, there was a time when I blew my accounts. It wouldn't be anything new. Valid. That's valid. Auto tech, you have to risk it for the biscuit. No, I agree with you. I agree with you. Which is why I've been taking every single A+ setup. And I've been trying to stop overthinking everything, because that's like my speciality. I mean, that's how I got this trade. If I'd overthought this trade too much, I wouldn't have taken it. I'm more interested in your vlogs when long videos will cut. You guys want more long videos? The long videos don't normally do that well. I hope make fun or listen to people, so if you got that impression, then that's on you. Am I trading futures? I am. I am, Rise Games. I'm trading futures. This is the NAS 100. Am I in New York? Lots of shorts. There was a slight breeze and he sneezed.
Nice.
Mr. Movies, I told you, like $40, nothing much. Target is 533. Never said bad things about you, although I can be critical sometimes. Explorer, I'm so confused. Does anyone know what's happening today? I feel like there's just chaos today. Aww. Cheers, Life Sound. Thank you. I hope you have, well, travel safe, right? You headed back home now? How long does it take to get good at trading futures? Do you have any trading experience at all? Hey Kevin, what's my strategy name? Apparently the TMT. I didn't name it, everyone just kind of went with it. The TMT model. Hey, Daily Shorts, that's awesome. It's Good Friday for chaos. Literally. Literally. Oh, zero experience. Okay, so I've only been trading for a year. I know some people that say that it took them 6 months to kind of get the hang of it. I sometimes feel like I have the hang of it, and sometimes I'm like, nope. I know some people that have been trading for 3 to 5 years, and they're still learning. I have a bad feeling about this weekend. What does that mean, Eddie? That's terrifying. Why do you say that? Vernon, you know me, I'm 6.5 years deep into trading. Yep, exactly. It's Friday and everybody made a good amount this week. Woo, everyone's getting energized to go blow it up. What's my max drawdown? It's 48325.3 if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna have to double check that. When you were gonna trade people and pick numbing up in 6 months. Oh, okay. Miserable next week. Wow. I have a strategy to trade my fake nows. I know, but it works twice a day.
Emotional damage.
Okay. Do you know what it is? It is still Friday. Oh wait, no, it's nearly 5. So let's watch and see what it does at 5. Like I said, guys, unfortunately I don't really trade when it's in the gray area. The gray area sometimes screws me, so I've learned no trading in the gray area. I can trade outside of the gray. Then we're good. Then I also have a good bias and directional objective point of interest. But while in this gray zone, it's a no-go zone for me. It's a little too unpredictable for me in the gray zone, so I tend to be hands-off. I do want to wait until the new hourly, so in 5 minutes, and then you best believe we're gonna do Fun Fact Friday, because guess what? It's Friday! Fun Fact Friday! Fun Fact Friday! Whoop, 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 whoop. We've already done Butterfly of the Day. If you missed it, it was pretty cool. Just saying. With a pretty cool butterfly. Cheers, Samuel! I'll go outside and breathe fresh air for once. Kevin, which prop firm am I using? I am actually currently using, well, I'm funded with Top 1 Futures, but I want to, while the special is still on, so for maybe those of you that don't know, there is a special going on with Tradeify, or the new Tradeify, Tradeify 3.0. They've become very, how do I put this? They are very, they're trying to, whatever. I've forgot, doesn't matter. Basically, there's this awesome special. It's not a monthly subscription, it's a once-off payment. You can get 5 contracts with this once-off payment, which is awesome. So it's no longer the monthly fees. You should go check it out. You get a journal as well, which is freaking Awesome. And you can now purchase 25k. So it's not 50k and up. You can also now get 25k accounts. But yes, like I said, the 40% discount does actually end 30th of April. Yeah, I thought I would just mention that because I actually want to get myself one before the end of April so that I can also get that once-off special because that's really cool. Because the subscriptions are where they kind of get you. But with a once-off, you're good to go. Serious warning. The feeling that something is going to escalate between US and China, we turn back ships on their... Oh, no. Which indicator am I using? For what? Okay, just fine. You don't do it at all. I mean, what's your maximum negative loss strike you have with the strategy? For example, 14 stop losses. Oh! Oh, sorry, Vaso. No, 3. If I get taken out 3 times in a day, I'm done for the day. Who is this gray? So Tradeify is copying usage with no subscription. What about funded? Tradeify still charge monthly for funded accounts? No, I don't think so, no. Thomas, I'll double check, but no. I think you can also get it with a funded account done and dusted. Yeah, they were. What indicate? Amago, you're gonna have to be more specific, and please don't spam. Rolf, watch out here. My ID fundamentals affect you or not? Not really. I don't think so. Anyways. I have Tradeify. Nice, Rolf. And are you happy with them? Do you have... Oh, wait, Debbie's asking Microwave if he has TradingView. I think... Yes, we're at all-time highs. Also, yes, Debbie, I do have TradingView. There we go. Done, done, done. Still waiting for 5. Oh, that damn dog is back. Come on, 5 AM. Give us something good. Awesome, Rob. There we go. Hey, Wanda, this is the 1 minute currently. On this fun fact. Tardigrade 8 water bears can survive the vacuum of space, extreme radiation, avoiding heat, freezing cold, and being completely dried out for over a decade. Then just wake up and go about their day like nothing happened. BS! How did they test that, Louis? How did they test that? Approve of your risk. Most people should only trade 5% of the total drawdown, so right now you should only be risking 32 to 65 per trade. When you make it back up to 2k total drawdown, then go for it. Thank you! Then you can go back to 100 200 risk per trade. Thank you! I agree. That's literally what I've been doing. That's why I've only been doing 1 contract right now. I know it's a slow grind. A very slow grind, but I think that's the only way to do it right now. Slowly get back up there, or else you screw yourself a whole lot quicker where you could have saved it. I know obviously it means that the winners don't have such a big impact, but 1 good trade at a time, right? Hey Lodi, you just woke up 15 minutes ago? Oh, I just trade the Nasdaq futures for now, Kevin. Wonder damn. Right, do you think Nas will fall? We're just going up right 1 row right now. Ooh. So we are all... I'm sorry, give the brain to quickly start functioning again. Give the brain a minute to start functioning again. Oh my gosh! Okay, so we've just taken out the previous day high on ES. However, we have not taken out the previous day high on NQ yet. So it's at a little bit of a deciding point. Is ES at all-time highs, by the way? Is that an eval or funded? This is a funded account, by the way. But yes. So it is at a little bit of a deciding point. So I don't want to lie. I personally suspect that it might go and take out the previous day high on NQ first before dropping back down, and then I think New York we're going to see some shorty shorts come into play. But we're going to have to wait and see about that one. And again, it's just what I suspect. I could be so wrong. It's also why I'm hands off. Like I said, in this gray zone that I have marked out here, the bob level, I tend to stay hands off because it could sometimes just bounce up and down in this level, and you can just get wicked out and taken out very unnecessarily. Need to learn that eventually. Yellow trading will either blow or recover the account. I prefer smart trading, so risk management. I agree with you on that one, Thomas. Thomas, are you good? I thought you were going back to sleep, by the way. One recommendation for recovering your account is to try and find trades you can use 2 contracts on. Take TP and try to hold a runner. I do agree with you. I low-key wish that I could go back to having like 3 cons in. But definitely not going to happen during New York. I can tell you that one for free. New York's definitely not going to give you that. Honestly, just closing here, not waiting for the 20 bucks. What's my entry model? 50% retracement, basically. I want a funded account too, bought it yesterday. 5k, so we'll be trading it slow. And for sale, I know it's not valid yet, but with some of my analysis and research, I see it going down after some time. Wonder, what do you trade, by the way, and how long have you been trading? Yeah, so unfortunately, I do agree though. I'm excited to be able to leave a runner again. I mean, the only problem is like with the runner here. It would have most likely been taken out. I probably would have taken TP, moved my stop loss to 50%, been taken out, and then it would have gone up, which is rude. What's up, Yusuf? What? Did you just ask what my postcode is? That's a bit weird. Don't ask people that. Anyways. Oh, wait, it's 3:05. Like your little grumps. That is hilarious. How accurate. How accurate. Okay. Let's do Fun Fact Friday. For those of you that missed, this was Butterfly of the Day. Bushveld Purple Tip Butterfly. It is awesome sauce. Let's do the Fun Fact Generator. And then Louis, I really want to actually go and fact check that because that is insane. What you said earlier is absolutely insane. How did you find that? Okay, it's to do with water. No? Astronomers discovered a giant water reservoir floating in space that is equivalent to 140 trillion times all the water in the world's oceans, and it's only 12 billion light years away. That's low-key interesting. Is that true? Louis, you're like the fact checker here. I love it. Is this true? Is this a real thing? Have they actually discovered like water? Just chin-chilling? What? That is insane. You're gonna make me play car of the day. What's car of the day? I trade Nasdaq alone, been in for 2 years now, just started seeing good things this year. Ooh, nice, Wanda. What strategy do you use? Hey, Manali. Okay, let's do one more. The Lonely Planet Travel Guide series was named after a Joe Cocker lyric misheard by Tony Wheeler, the series creator. The actual words are Lovely Planet. Oh. Okay. I don't know, these don't feel very fun. Are these fun facts? I guess they are fun facts. One more. Jupiter completes a full rotation on its axis approximately every 9 hours and 55 minutes. I've seen that one. Don't know if you guys have seen that one. Basically, Jupiter is the fastest spinning planet in our solar system. After winning a bronze medal in judo at the 2016 Rio Olympics, Belgium athlete Dirk van Tukkelt, I butchered that name, was assaulted and robbed while celebrating his victory. That's rough. That's not very nice. And Mercury takes around 88 days Earth must to complete one orbit around the sun. The matter we can see or record with various devices makes up just 5% of the universe's content. The other 95% is made up of dark matter and dark energy. These aren't fun. Where's the fun one? Like the New Yorkers. Yesterday, that was hilarious. Tools, honestly. These are not fun facts. The clouds on Venus are made up of vaporized heavy metal compounds. So when it snows heavy metal. Okay, that one was fun. Just because of the fact that they put a freaking heavy metal person here. Oh my gosh, that's badass. The clouds on Venus are made up of vaporized heavy metal compounds. So when it snows heavy metal. Okay, we found our fun fact for the Friday. We found the fun fact for the Friday. That one will do. Okay, I see we still have not gone anywhere. I see I have missed a lot of messages. Give me a second. Then when you go look at butterflies, I'm gonna go outside and look at cars in my neighborhood to offset the girliness. Atlanta, do it. Louis, I did not. Researchers sent 3,000. Oh, wait. So researchers sent about 3,000 dehydrated trigons into low Earth orbit on a Russian capital for 10 days. They were exposed to the hard vacuum. Some shielded from radiation, others hit with solar UV radiation as well. What? That is insane. Not the same as being, but my New Yorker ICT models, either one or two different things. What do you think? Luke, I feel like ICT models could be a bunch of different things, to be fair. At a range, one can't exactly explain, but discovered it throughout those years. I'm forward testing. I've been hitting TP today. If I hit stop loss, will be my first, but it's good. Oh, nice, Wanda. Okay, so yours is more to do with range. Well done. I'm not good at ranging days. Oh, we're still here. Sorry, let's go back to the charts. My bad. Let's get the music back. Change Jupiter into rain diamonds. Always fact checks on this. That was heavy metal rock on. Oh, check out the Trady Green. Hey, Psycho Type. Ah, you're too late. The butterfly of the day has already been done, bud. Full on look like alien beings. I think I need waffles. What's up, Luke? How's it going? Oh, okay. Good grief, guys. This range low-key sucks. I don't look at the higher time frame for confirmations to hold longer than initially planned. No. No, I don't. Sorry. I can't wait for food. I'm so hungry. Okay, Mikuabe, what food are you gonna get? Okay. Done, done, and done. Do you think we're just gonna sit here and be in range? Now, are we gonna be range bound? You're my first live stream chat. Aww, that's awesome, Luke. Have you tried to chat to others and they just don't get back to you, Waffles? Okay. I see we have now completely changed subject because obviously the charts are looking a bit meh today. It's getting exhausted to turn around. It is oversold territory, it looks like. Lifestyle moments, I do agree. Avocado on fired bread with chicken. What on earth? Okay, I'm finally motivated to go to the kitchen. So you could have gone to the kitchen this whole time to go and get yourself food, Atlanta, but it took you this long to be like, meh. You can sniper the short from there. Avocado with onions, sun-dried tomatoes, jalapenos. Oh, that sounds really good. Damn, now you're making me hungry. Now on capital, you're thinking it's a long here. Oh, okay, I see we're back to this debate of is this going to be long or short? Oh, now I need a bacon sandwich. I'm hungry too. Oh my gosh. Maya, please sniper the short. Sold 522, TP is 508. Yeah, I don't do that. Sorry. That's what I do. It's borderline self- a little bit. Why? Why are you like this? Looks rangy lately. You have to change your strategy to this range theory. Jose? Nah. This was pretty good, to be fair. So, hear me out, right? If I had followed every single range up, let's say I took that one. That one would have been a win. If I'd then gone to the next range, would have been a win. This range, however, would have been a... wait. If I'd followed it there, would have maybe tagged me in and been a win. Followed the next range up, would have been a loss. Then we went back to range. Come in and up. Moved on to this one, which ironically I was kind of looking at, but because it had tapped into the bob level, I was not so keen on it. Unfortunately, because it actually was... Was it? 1, 2... It was an A+ setup. Oh well. Back and up. And now it has not retraced the 50% yet. That's why I've been low-key following that. So I mean... You just have to pick the right days, but on days like that, you could literally scalp a lot. You just have to make sure you identify those days and just go with it, but it's a bit hard sometimes. Short but grabbing all that in the top. So Wonder, do you think this is still going to head for the previous day high on NQ? Because it did take the previous day high on ES. Bar with confirmation that was the long week above. Major rejection.
That's what she said.
Yeah. So I mean, maybe I should be a little bit more risky with taking those types of trades. I mean, look at this thing as well. In and up, done. Would have been in and out in a minute. I don't know. It is risky though, but you're gonna have to, I guess, risk it for the biscuit. If you take every single range, maybe that's just something I'm gonna have to sit and backtest properly this weekend. On days like this, every single range, no A+, no B, no nothing. Every single range, just take, but there has to be a very clear direction. Like, there has to be a very clear bias for the day. Like, this was obviously bulls all the way. You must be skeptical knowing to trade 1 minute. 15 minute is fair. Dare wonders. You only trade the 15 minute. Ralph, it's gonna keep pushing. So can you see the debate I've been having with myself with regards to like these type of things? I mean, this was a really good trade. I'm super chuffed with this trade. Like I said, I don't touch the gray level. Learned my lesson. Problematic. Not worth it. Give me a second. This dog is driving me crazy. Let me just make sure, see what it's barking at. It's not my dog. It's a dog next door that never shuts up. Just seems to tell the mark. Moving. Well, I'm gonna try and go back to sleep. Take care. Good. Oh, thanks, Thomas. Enjoy. Hopefully you can go back to sleep. I'll be right back. Here we go. Okay, we're getting some movement now. Louis? No! We'll give it a treat. Wonder sleep? Where you go? Oh, Wonder, there's a bunch of... Wonder, where are you from, by the way? There's a few people that it's like middle of the night, currently, which is wild. I'm short from 524. Nice! That's a good entry, damn. Is it bad that I don't think the climb is done yet? I do think, obviously, this is a quick little scalp short, but I don't think the climb is done yet. I could be very, very wrong though. I do see that doji that it created on ES. That is a very insane doji, so... 2:19 in the morning over here. Good grief, Louis. How are you a functioning human being? Seriously, how are you functioning? Ishmael from South Africa. What's up, Rudex? What's up? You wish I was your aunt. How old are you? No wonder. I have a South African subscriber. I didn't introduce myself. Wonder, by the way, will be one of top. But silent, being and peaceful. Aww. I love that, Wonder. So you're also South African? That is awesome. What part of SA are you from? I'm also from South Africa, so that's awesome. It's nice to know that it's not just me. Oh, if you guys want to, you are more than welcome to join the Discord. Give me ideas of what could be fun on Discord, guys. More than welcome to join the Discord. Now that's my dog. Please just be aware that there are scammers out there, so I won't send you a friend request. So if you get one, it's not me. Oh, you're from South Africa? I am Wanda. I'm from South Africa. I'm from KZN, but now in Bloemfontein for schooling. That is awesome. I'm currently in KZN. Barry, are we good? Are we okay? $5.21. Yeah, I know, small world. It's the same as... Oh man, I'm gonna butcher her name now. Iris. There we go. Iris is also a South African trader. She also streams. I feel lightheaded. I see the Violin audit used to 4-hour wake up time, 30 minutes, 2-hour sleep time. I don't know how you did, like, how you do that, how you did that. I don't know how you do that because I had a few, like 2 weeks where I wasn't sleeping properly at all and I felt like I was going absolutely insane. Is this gonna work out again? Like I said, I don't like trading in the gray, but I feel like it at least has to come and take out 519. You're 23. You're 23 and you're saying I can be your aunt. In and out in a minute. Hey, Tay Down. What's up? Welcome, welcome, welcome. It at least wants to retest 519. Let's see though, this could be the start of the drop. Because your risk tolerance is high. What? Oh, risk tolerance. I was like, what does that even mean? What does that mean? Well, it takes about 2 months for your body to get used to it. Navy SEALs and Army Rangers go through this type of training. Oh, damn. Okay. 2 months. Yeah, no. It's fine. I like my sleep. I like being a functioning human being. And luckily, being a South African trader, you can sleep. Trade during the day. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Winning. Oh, this is a nice day to trade. 523. And I only took one trade. Pity. Pity, pity, pity. To be fair, the other setups that were A+, I had a valid reason for not taking them. So actually, meh. I can't be upset for not taking them. Wait, wow, how old are you? I'm 27. James. Anyways, wait. I feel like this is one of these moments.
That's what she said. Michael.
Stay on until end of New York after hours on a Friday. Atlanta? Heck no, bro. Though, to be fair, I might, soon. I feel like we do have to... Let's get some ideas rolling, right? I did the shark cage diving. I do still have to get myself a trading tattoo. That was the deal. I did respect my 24-hour stream idea for, what was it, 8,000 subscribers? I feel like we're gonna have to do something cool for 20k subscribers. I feel like 20k is a big deal. So, thoughts, guys? Say gloating. But honestly, living in Spain, I could have a great trade life. Or Greece. All over there, gonna be super trappy. Be careful, everyone. Not the day to chase any moves. What's up, J Ray? How you doing? Hey, Tyler. She's 34 at least. Wow. Get Nasdaq tattooed across your neck. 27. I was thinking 22. So yes. Hey, it's on 440. Nice. Scalp contest. A scalp contest. Jose for 20k. Get a QQQ tramp stamp. But you see, I'm already gonna be getting a trading tattoo. That's done and dusted. That was for like 5,000 subscribers. Yes, I know I'm very late. Don't judge me. Down here in KZN, there's not a lot of people that are good enough to do tattoos. So like me. 20k subs mean at the start of season 3. Actually, I heard Portugal's cool too, and they have killer waves there for surfing. What's wrong with South Africa? You're like naming all places except for South Africa. I'm trying to decide if I'm offended or not. Man. Is rejecting off that 50%. Yeah, there we go. There's that rejection off that 50%. Oh, I think this is gonna range again. Tyler, how you doing? $5.27. My fridge is full, but I don't have waffles. That is disappointing. Are you sad? I'm sad about this right now. Shoot, man. For those of you wondering why I am sad, this would have been the trade. Would have nearly bottom ticked me. Huh. Interesting. It is about to hit that not the support level. Resistance level, there we go. I nearly want to say rejection level, that's not right. Mother fluffer. Would have been break even now. Wonder which prop firm to use. I'm currently funded with Top 1 Futures. But I mean, wonder if you want to go and check out Traderfy is having a really good special right now. And 40% discount until the end of April. Seriously, you must go and check it out. They are trying to compete. That's it. Those were the words I was trying to find earlier. They are trying to compete basically with Lucid. And as South Africans, we can use them, which is awesome. Are they good waves in South Africa? I think so. That's stuff to do, like fill in the blank. Fill in the blank. Hit that 50% nice, yep. Obsession on Inky for me in Asia called Gold Solar. Oh damn, Tyler, look at you go. Shoot, man, guys, I should have actually just... I don't even want to say trusted my strategy more, just ignored some of these things today. Just gone with it. Ah, well. It is what it is. I did say I don't like trading when it's in the bob level, so it's fine. Same goes for once it's tapped into the bob level, it could come back down, which is why I didn't take this trade. Pity. Oh well. Well, we move on. I think we're making a new all-time high today and then a big dump during New York session. All that dirt and sand make for a great deal maker. So like I said, this would be break even now. This trade right here. How much would I have risked though? Ah, shoot. Yeah. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Oh well. 530. Let's see what we get. Let's give this thing 15 more minutes. Let's see if it's gonna break to that previous day high on NQ or not. Ooh, we dumping. Okay. The bub levels can be quite rangy, which is why I'm skeptical with them sometimes. Hey Lance, what am I doing? Aww. It's not that impressive. I just have my regular job to do. Aw, sorry. Hey Axel, how you doing? Rudix? What, you guys want to do a collab? I've done it before. The Wi-Fi here is just shocking. Unfortunately, if the Wi-Fi wasn't so bad, I would have more of you guys join me on the live stream, 100%. Done it before with Boom, and even OTT joined the one day. Was loads and loads of fun, and this would have taken me out for break even. Yep. There, I would have been taken out for break even. Damn. Okay then, what did I say? These bob levels are scary sometimes. Shorting in retracement into 26510. Ooh, that was a really, really good call. Luke, damn. Did I hear about MSNR strategy? No, what's that? Hey, Indicator Algo, how you doing? James Jade. Break. Well, it's not a fib, it's a GAN box, but you're more than welcome to see the settings. Yeah, nothing hectic about it. Literally. That's it, it's really, really basic. Like I said, this strategy is almost stupid simple. But I guess sometimes simple works. That's Nasdaq for you. Expect the unexpected. Nasdaq be a diva. That is what Nasdaq is. Nasdaq is the diva. I'm short, we swept Asia high, we started rejection a lot. I target Asia low. Ron, that is what I also thought, but hear me out. I don't know if this might be headed towards the previous day high. It could be. Cheers, Louis. See you later. What's my strategy called? I don't know. I guess we've just been calling it the TMT strategy right now. The nasty queen. I love it. Is that the 1 minute time frame? It is. It is indeed. Ooh, since you're South African, you should know Mr. Shire. I actually do not know Mr. Mashire. Who's that? Oh, bye Tyler, enjoy. Explain my strategy. Wow. No, please. Sweet and simply, it is market auction theory, ICT, and SMC kind of popped together. You draw bottom of the range to top of the range. You want to see it retrace to 50% of the range and essentially 1 to 2R. Like I said, stupid, basic, simple. I do look obviously for confluences, so I need 3 or more confluences for it to be an A+ setup. That was a very, very quick description, but yeah. There we go. We'll go to yesterday's high. It's good. I have a good risk to reward. Stop loss would be minus 200. He would be plus 660. Oh, that's good though. Ron, damn! Are you in the green right now? I'm assuming. Yeah, no, he's the creator of 714 method. You can look it out. He's a knife metal. Works almost in every pair on Nasdaq. It's just beautiful. I'm gonna have to go check him out now. This sounds very interesting. Where's my notepad? There's my notepad. Okay. Yeah, shorted the sweep on the top. I still think it's gonna range a little bit in this gray zone. Once we break out though, I think we're gonna start seeing some good things. The key is once we break out though. So, Let's see where this is headed to now. Sorry, I'm kind of curious. It did create a buy-side SMT on NQ. Yeah, I think this is gonna start dropping soon, hey? I think this is it. This might be where we start to see it go down. Breakfast good. Oh, cheers, Debbie! See you later. On your 4 hour and 1 day and see where liquidity gathering up. By the way, I already did that a lot earlier, and to be fair, we're at all-time high, so I know there's a bunch of sell-side liquidity. Very aware of all of the sell-side and all the gaps. Oh my gosh, guys, so many gaps. That's why I think New York is gonna be distribution, right? Asia was accumulation. London looks like it's potentially manipulation to the buy side, and then New York distribution. I think we're gonna see some sells, but we're gonna have to low-key wait and see about that one, aren't we? Don't be married to your bias. Go with whatever is in front of you. Not yet, you'll never go wrong, but you seem really profitable. We never stop learning, we can add to it. Make a confirmation of launch. Nice one. Yeah, no, but that's exactly. 10 a.m. sells. Atlanta, marry your bias. No! Maybe marry your bias, but, you know, divorce is an option, right? Done that before, where I was so fixed on my bias that, oh, I screwed myself. I screwed myself properly by doing that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Learn from your mistakes. Trade what's in front of you. Oh my gosh. Come on, give us something. We're just gonna be kind of range bound in this. Sort of crazy session, just all-time high pushes. Yep. If your bias handles his business, then there's no need for divorce, right? True. Exactly. But if you don't, you know? What confirmation are we looking for? Hey Shiloh, what's up? Cheers Tepo, see you later. I will be back, well you're South African, so I'll be back at 3:15 in the afternoon for part 2, the New York session. The New York session is a little bit more insane than this. This one's a slow grind. New York tends to be chaos and mayhem. I love it. Chaos! Anyways, to be fair, I might be calling it soon as well. I'm gonna give this, what, like 5 more minutes? I do think it's gonna low-key be stuck in a bit of a range here. Which is great for everyone that is a range trader. You'll have fun. I, however, am not a range trader. I feel like this was a bit of confirmation of that as well. I think it's gonna be a little bit stuck in a range. New York might come, spike, and then drop down. That's just what I suspect. That's what I suspect. I could be very, very wrong. We might start to see it dropping now. It low-key looks like it's coiling. I know it's very overextended to the buy side, but it has been overextended to the buy side, and it just keeps buying, so, you know. We're looking for a downside breakout. What broker are you using? Was a prop firm? I'm using a prop firm, CN Seeker. Yeah, exactly. No, AMD is a thing. It's definitely a thing. Does it work all the time? Yes, but obviously you just have to know which it is. And sometimes that's more of a hindsight situation. You know, sometimes it's easier to sit there going, oh, I see now that that one was the A, that one was the M, and that one was the D.
That's what she said.
Okay. A few more minutes to go. If this is going to start selling, this may just be collecting some stop losses here. Grabbing some liquidity. to get some momentum to start dropping back down. It's pushing back up on ES. Atlantic could go to yourself. Nope. Never, ever, ever. It's what I do. Accumulation, manipulation plus fair value gap equals distribution is a good opening strategy. Just balance looks like a pushback up for now on that. Yeah. I do agree. Yeah, I think this thing's gonna keep maybe one more spike. Like I said, it really might be coming for the previous day high / New York high at 562. It's just a bit stuck. I don't know though. I don't know. It feels like a big push that it has to do. Okay, so Yara, you agree with me? Do patterns work on 1 minute time frame? I think so. Give me 2 seconds. Sorry guys, it was my mom. Mom, is it urgent? Are we good? Anyways. Enjoy your fixed profile tool from where to where? You thinking of this? For a shorty short. But that's for shorts. I don't know. I don't know about the shorts just yet. How does price behave when the levels are hit? That's the key to trading. Being patient. James, exactly. Patience pays. That is just it. Patience pays. Say hi to mommy. Why are you keeping us out? I'm sorry. Next time I'll be like, yo mom, everyone wants to say hi. Do you want to say hi to everybody? You're gonna have to be more specific. There's a few. Like there was this swing low to that swing high. That would have been that one where it would have been taken out of break even. If you're saying specifically, oh, sugar honey iced tea, let's redraw this. This one? To there? Or were you thinking that swing low? Oh! Oh, my bad. Fixed range volume profile. I'm sorry, I'm using my GAN. I'm trying to use that. I have used it before, but I don't really use it that much. Which swing low? Here we go. There it is. So theoretically it should react a little bit off of 513. I have used this before. It's okay. It's okay. I wasn't the biggest fan of using it. Let's put it that way. It was too confusing and I started overthinking. When it comes to me, I overthink things too much and I talk myself out of trades. This month in payouts, another 3 accounts found on the parts payout. Nice, indicator algo. You know what you get for that? You get a whoop-de-whoop. Hey, Manene, say this. What's up? Look, to be fair, guys, when the fireworks end, damn that, it's basic. Don't worry, Wonder. Sometimes sometimes we forget that to overcomplicate it is not always the best thing to do. Sometimes keeping it simple is key. Simple's good. I'm actually going to call it there for today then, guys, because I think this is now going to be stuck in a little bit of a range. But I will be back for New York. Had a little whoop whoop here. Let's see if we can get another whoop whoop for New York, or if I'm going to just give back my profits. That's also potential. Like I said, at this point, I'm just taking all my A+ setups. I'm going to stop overthinking. I should have maybe taken a few more. No, it's fine. They weren't A+ because of other situations. But let's see what New York brings. If London was like this, I think New York is going to be pretty cool. So I'm excited. I hope I will then see you guys there. Right. Let's do this. Let's see if we can get in on that sell-off. I think we all kind of... Or maybe we're wrong and we try and get in on the sells and it screws us. Let's find out. Okay. I love you guys then madly. I'll be back for the New York Open. Be there or be square, you know. All that rubbish. I love you guys madly. Don't forget to press that like button. And the 3 to 5 40% discount. Seriously, guys. Seriously, I'm going to kind of go on and on about that a little bit. You must go and check it out. And yeah, if you guys want to get the discount, you can use my code. It's teachmaya, all caps, no gaps. Otherwise, that's about it. I did also send it on the Discord. I must maybe send it again. I love you guys. Trade safe. Be safe. See you later for the New York Open. Okay.